the story of Adam and Hawaa. For the Quran, the story of Adam and Hawaa is basically the Islamic creation story, which makes it the most important story in Islam. Allah has created both Adam and Hawaa from clay and permitted them to live in heaven and enjoy it as they want. They had so much delicious food and big palaces with huge, beautiful gardens. There were many cool animals and birds, and the trees had so many amazing fruits. It was never too cold, nor too hot, but the weather was always to their liking. They were never bored, sad, or angry in heaven. Adam and Hawaa were living happily, and one day, Allah told them that they were forbidden from eating the apples of a certain apple tree, and they promised to obey their almighty creator. But the devil knew of this agreement, so he went to Adam and Hawaa and whispered evilly in their ears, tempting them to eat from that one tree that Allah had ordered them to avoid. Adam and Hawaa fell to their tricks and ate apples from the tree. Later on, when they stood before Allah, remorseful and full of regret, Allah gave them a second chance and told them that they would go to earth with two tasks: worship Him properly and build the earth. If they obey Allah, He will grant them the permission to live in heaven for eternity. Once again, while narrating the Islamic story to your kid, make sure to discuss with them how Allah's reaction to the sin means there's always another chance for sinners to repent. It would also be wise to talk to them about what human beings are on earth for and how we should spend our lives. Did you find this video helpful? Then give it a like and subscribe to YouTuber Islamic Wallah for more videos.